evening, and thank you so much for inviting us. I never thought, in fact, no one from the members of my family ever thought that we were going to come this far. So I think it's a blessing. uThando Nesthembu relates most of it to what people are experiencing in their daily lives. So what we are showcasing on TV is exactly what people are going through on day to day. So that is why it's doing so well, because people can relate and can say, oh wow, what this man or what these wives are experiencing is exactly what I'm going through.
Yeah. Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So listen, you guys, Musa Mseleku did an interview on Newsroom Africa, and this is just part of him answering questions. Okay, it sounds like the interviewer had his own questions, but Musa Mseleku had his own script, because in some of the questions what he answers is not what he what was being asked. Okay, I'm like, what the hell? It's like he had a goal as to what he wanted to communicate in this interview, and it did not matter what the interviewer was asking. He was just going to communicate what he wanted to communicate. It's not strange, you guys. We have seen it on the show. Nonetheless, you guys, it is still an interesting interview to watch. So if you can find it here on YouTube, Newsroom Africa, go and watch the interview and come back here and let's have a conversation. So here, you guys, he was just asked about how he feels about season 8, and if he thought that they were going to have or last as long as they have lasted. Okay, I can imagine, you guys, that they never imagined that they were going to be in season 8, that the show was going to be as successful as it has been. But I'm sure that all of them are happy that it is this successful. The surprise here, you guys, was when he was talking about how the show is successful because most people can relate to what is being displayed on the show. What they show on the show in their family is what people or most people are going through in their lives. And I was like, well, I guess I'm not most people, because for me, I watch the show because I'm fascinated by Nesthembu, and I'm fascinated by how I cannot believe that there is a woman in this time and age that will put themselves through the misery of polygamy. Okay, that's one reason. Reason number 2 is that whenever you have more than one woman and one man in a relationship, there is drama. Okay, so I watch it for drama, and also I'm just like wondering why these women, beautiful, successful women, will be doing this to themselves. That's why I'm watching it. It's not because I'm watching and thinking, yo, Nkosi yami nami husband yami, oh Nkosi yami no. But Musa Mseleku things we are watching because we can relate. Listen, if you are somebody that can relate, please come into the comment section. Anyway, all of you, just tell me, why do you guys watch uThando Nesthembu? Is it for the reason that Musa Mseleku is saying, or is it for different reasons, you guys? Listen, I think that they are just as shocked as all of us that the show has lasted this long. But I do hope, you guys, that they keep it real, okay? Because it does look like there is some acting here and there. I know it's difficult to come, up with really good content every season, but they need to, break down the acting, okay? Bring down the scripting, okay? Let's go back to being real on the show. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Tell me what you think about what Musa Mseleku says about the reason that you are watching uThando Nesthembu. Like the video before, for me, gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Thanda. Cool.